Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about different type of methods for parasite killing because there are multiple methods and people are not sure which one to use. So I thought we could go through all of them and then you can pick the right one for you. Number one is the natural foods and remedies, what you can eat as a complementary parasite killing method. You can eat pumpkin seed, you can eat garlic, you can eat papaya. I went through on these on an earlier episode, you can check out here. Number two is the frozen castor oil pill, which doesn't affect your digestive system. So it's a great way to start as a beginner. And I also made a video about that earlier, which you can check out here. Number three, proper tinctures. You can try the brand Roger's Hood. And these are the tinctures you need. Paraffi, Metal Flush, and Sustain. And all you need is 15 drops of each before each meal, so 3 times a day, 15 drops from each. For children, they need only 1 to 3 times 15 drops from Paraffi, and 1 time 15 drops from these two, Metal Flush and Sustain. And for everyone who uses these tinctures, they need to take 1 cinnamon pill, preferably in the morning or before bed. This is to help with the die of symptoms. And if you try them, I highly recommend you to also try their full week soak. It's a great way to do a detox bath, a food bath or a normal detox bath. And they have everything what you need in these tinctures. Hawthorn berry, wormwood, raw honey, garlic, clove, black walnut hull. So everything is included. And it's a really potent way to get rid of the parasites. And right now they have a 20% off for Valentine's on the 16th and 17th of February. And if you type in code Mariana, you will get further 10% off. Number 4 is the big pharma type of solution like ivermectin, mebendazole, fenbendazole, and so on. There are so many other ones like praziquantel and stuff, and the combination should be recommended by a proper healthcare practitioner, and I made videos about these previously, so you can look them up here. Number 5 is coffee enemas and garlic enemas. My dad used to tell me that they used to have, as a child, they used to have garlic enemas at home made by grandma, and they had lots of pork in the Hungarian diet, so they used to do this very often to get rid of tapeworms. And all you need is just crushed garlic and an enema kit and filtered water. So that's a great way to open up your pathways as well. And the other one is coffee enemas. You need proper organic coffee blend for this, and it's also a great way to help your vitamin absorption after that. So I highly recommend to look into enemas, and also worth to try colonic hydrotherapy as well to open up the lymphatic pathways and to get rid of the blockage which you have in the system. Most of us carry lots of extra weight for no reason, and it's affecting our health without even being noticed. So I highly recommend you to look into this and try most of them. Number 6, binder cocktails. You can use things like bentonite clay, psyllium husks, zeolite, food grade diatomaceous earth, and activated charcoal as well, but activated charcoal should be used only infrequently because it can wipe out everything from within. So these can be drinking as a binder cocktail, and it's a great way to flush out everything which is not helping your body to thrive. Number 7, clove tea, or you can also drink celery juice. These are a great way also to get rid of parasites. Not all of them will be dying from these drinks, but you can get rid of some of them. So it's a great natural way. If you don't want to do any other stuff, you can still try these. Number 8, sound frequencies like 1150 Hertz is unbearable for parasites. So you can put on YouTube videos with this sound frequency, 1150 Hertz. And also you can buy Rife machine, which is a frequency generator machine. And I think they're selling it on Temu. You can look these up. They have proper machines as well, like great Rife machine. So look these up maybe if you're interested in sound healing. Number 9 is fasting and prayers. I left this last because I believe this is the most potent one which mentioned by the Bible to get rid of Toxoplasma gondii, because Matthew 9:28 talks about the one type of parasite which can be only healed by fasting and prayers. I believe they refer to this because so far this is the only parasite where even scientists only managed to make it inactive. So they couldn't get rid of it fully, but they managed to make it inactive. It was just a breakthrough a few months ago. I read about it, but it's still under studies. So you can try the Lent. It's coming up next week on the 18th of February, lasting until the 2nd of April. And you can give up meat, dairy, and other stuff, alcohol, and you can eat grains and stuff, vegetables and fruits. And it's a great way to heal your body. And I made a video about the healing properties of praying on your blood, so you can look that up here. And also, if you want to try a normal 10-day parasite cleanse routine, you can look up my previous video I made earlier. See you in the next one.